welcome back to you all to the Commerce Positivity lecture. In today's lecture, we are gonna study about the concept of motivations and the natures of motivations totally in detail. So let's start with the concept of motivations without G. So, what is motivation? Human motives are based on their needs. Some of our needs are primary and some of them are secondary. Food, clothes, shelter, water, air, etc. are regarded as the primary need. Similarly, love, affection, status is regarded as secondary needs of human being. These needs may vary according to time and situation, but these needs are the motivating factors about which a manager must know. These needs of human beings arise to want and cause tension. Tensions give rise to action. Therefore, needs cause action, and the actions are to be motivated in order to give satisfactions. Now, let us know about the term motivation. The term motivations comes from the word motive, which may be defined as needs, wants, derive within an individual. The individual makes his effort to get incentive which can satisfy his needs. Motivation simply represents the willingness of an individual to put his effort in the particular direction so as to achieve his goal. Motivation is simply the willingness or inspirations within an individual that motivate a people to work in a particular direction in order to achieve his goal. Now, let us know about the definitions of motivations given by Fish Scholar. According to Dalbage, motivations can be defined as a willingness. It is a willingness to expand energy to achieve a goal or a reward. They are motivated to do a work that will give them a reward in return. Similarly, another scholar we have here, according to Cons and Ordinale, motivation is a general term applying to the entire class of derives, needs, wish, and similar force that induct an individual or a group of a people to work. In conclusion, we can simply say that motivation is the act of inspiring and encouraging employers to devote maximum effort for the achievement of organizational goal. And the achievement of organizational goal will automatically help to achieve the individual goal in an organization. Now, let us know about the characteristic natures of motivation. This will make us more clear about the term or the concept of motivation. So, the natures or characteristic of motivation. The first natures or characteristic of motivation is managerial function. Yes, of course, motivation is an important managerial function in an organization. The functions of motivation is performed by manager of every level, whether it can be a lower level manager, upper level manager, or the middle level manager. It is used as a tool by the management to stimulate and encourage employees toward the attainment of organizational goal. Similarly, another natures of motivation here we have is psychological aspect. Yes, of course, motivation is related to personal feeling and want. The persons cannot be motivated to work without understanding his hidden feeling, interests, or desires. It is necessary to understand the psychology of employers in order to motivate them. Similarly, another natures we have here is positive or negative motivation. Yes, of course, motivation can be either positive or negative. If employers are motivated by reward, high salary, facility, prestige, promotions, allowance, then it is the situations of positive motivation. Similarly, if the employers are motivated by demotions, transfer, temporary job, trades, warning, etc., then in such case it can be called as negative motivation. According to situation, manager can adapt both positive motivation or negative motivations. Complex and unpredictable is another important natures of motivation. Yes, of course, the task of motivating others is really a complex job. Motivation is related to human behavior, and it is really difficult to understand the human behavior. Thus, it is complex and unpredictable. Similarly, motivation is related to human being. Yes, of course, motivation is related to human beings. Only human beings or human resources can be motivated to work. A man, basic needs are determined and cannot be separated from each other. A man is motivated by crossing and satisfying his needs. Similarly, another important nature of motivation is encouragement and inspirations. Motivation is an act of encouraging and stimulating people to do their job to their best of their ability. No management can be successful without encouragement and inspiring their employers to work better in an organization. Similarly, another nature we have here is influencing behavior. Motivation influences the behavior of subordinates toward the attainment of organizational goal. Feeling of needs creates tension in the mind and transfer it into wants as per the environment. It facilitates to show the particular behavior to the employers in an organization. Similarly, continuous process is another important nature of motivation. Human needs are unlimited. All of them cannot be satisfied at once. When a particular need is satisfied, a new needs emerge. Satisfaction of needs is never-ending process. So, motivation is also a continuous process. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.